Listen, if you're dreaming of starting your own cleaning business, you're in the right place. Cleaning is one of those industries that never slows down. Offices, restaurants, hospitals, apartments, and homeowners constantly need professional cleaning services. In fact, industry reports show the global cleaning services market is expected to surpass $110 billion in the coming years, and small local companies are capturing a big share of that demand. The best part is, you don't need a big office or a large team to start. Many successful cleaning businesses begin with just a few powerful machines and some basic tools. With the right equipment, even one or two people can clean offices, restaurants, or apartment buildings efficiently. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete beginner guide to starting a cleaning business from scratch, including the essential machines, everyday cleaning tools, important cleaning chemicals, and safety equipment professionals use to run a successful cleaning service. Starting a cleaning business doesn't require a huge investment, but smart choices in machines can make or break your efficiency and client satisfaction. The tools we'll discuss are research picks that balance power, affordability, and versatility, perfect for residential homes, offices, or commercial spaces. For instance, industrial vacuums and floor scrubbers handle heavy-duty jobs quickly, saving you time and labor costs. Pressure washers add that wow factor for outdoor cleaning. These aren't just gadgets, they're your business partners that help you deliver sparkling results, build repeat customers, and stand out from the competition. Think about it. With the right setup, you could clean a whole office floor in half the time, leaving you free to book more jobs. We'll analyze each one based on features like durability, ease of use, and value, so you know exactly why they're worth it. Every professional cleaning company starts with a powerful vacuum cleaner. This machine handles one of the most common cleaning tasks, removing dust, debris, hair, and dirt from carpets, floors, and furniture. For example, machines like the SanitMax SM100 industrial vacuum cleaner come with a large 26-gallon tank and strong jet pulse filtration technology. This allows it to collect huge amounts of dust and debris without losing suction power. Many commercial models are built with stainless steel tanks, powerful motors, and long hoses, so cleaners can cover large spaces like hotels or warehouses quickly. Another popular option is the Hoover Commercial Hush-Tone Upright Vacuum, which is designed for offices and commercial buildings. It runs quietly, which is very important when cleaning during business hours. It also has a powerful brush roll system that pulls dirt deep from carpets. With a professional vacuum, a cleaner can handle homes, offices, schools, and retail spaces efficiently. Most professional vacuums cost between $200 and $800, but they can easily help you earn thousands of dollars every month from regular cleaning contracts. When you start cleaning larger spaces like supermarkets, malls, hospitals, or factories, traditional mopping becomes extremely slow and inefficient. That is where a commercial floor scrubber becomes a game changer. A machine like the RT50AC walk-behind commercial floor scrubber is designed to wash, scrub, and dry floors in one smooth movement. It uses rotating brushes, water tanks, and a powerful suction system to clean large areas much faster than manual cleaning. This type of machine is perfect for cleaning tile floors, concrete surfaces, warehouses, and shopping centers. Instead of spending hours mopping a large floor manually, a cleaner can finish the job in a fraction of the time. Many small cleaning companies invest around $1,500 to $3,500 for a commercial floor scrubber, but the return can be huge. One shopping mall or supermarket contract can pay several $100s for a single cleaning session. Some of the highest-paying cleaning jobs are actually outside buildings rather than inside them. Parking lots, driveways, sidewalks, restaurant patios, and building walls collect dirt, grease, and stains over time. A powerful pressure washer can blast away years of dirt in minutes. Machines like the Westinghouse EPX3500 electric pressure washer deliver strong water pressure while remaining compact and portable. Another powerful option is the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless pressure washer, which offers flexibility for outdoor jobs without relying on electrical outlets. Pressure washing services are extremely profitable because they require minimal labor but deliver dramatic results. Cleaning a driveway or patio can take less than an hour, yet many homeowners and businesses happily pay $100 to $300 per job. This means a single day of pressure washing can generate more income than several days of traditional cleaning work. Machines handle the heavy work, but basic cleaning tools are still essential for detailed cleaning tasks. Professional cleaners rely on tools like mop buckets with ringers, push brooms, dustpans, and microfiber cloths. For example, the Rubbermaid WaveBreak mop bucket system is widely used in commercial cleaning because it reduces spills and improves efficiency. Microfiber cloths are especially important because they trap dust and bacteria much better than regular cloth. Many cleaning companies also use color-coded cloth systems, so different colors are used for kitchens, bathrooms, and general surfaces. Extendable dusters allow cleaners to reach ceiling fans, vents, and high corners without ladders. Squeegees and window cleaning tools help achieve streak-free glass on office buildings and storefronts. These simple tools are inexpensive but extremely important for delivering professional results that keep clients happy. Chemicals are the secret sauce that powers your machines and tools, so choose ones that are powerful yet safe. All-purpose cleaners like ZEP Multipurpose or Lysol Multipurpose kill 99.9% of germs, cut grease, and leave a fresh scent. Lysol's lavender option is bleach-free and versatile for kitchens or bathrooms, with high ratings for effectiveness. For disinfectants, Bissell Hard Floor Sanitize eliminates bacteria on sealed floors, while ZEP No Rinse is phosphate-free and neutral pH, perfect for no residue cleaning in commercial spaces. Glass cleaners, such as Windex Original or ZEP Streak Free, provide shine without streaks. Windex uses recycled plastic bottles and works fast on mirrors. Toilet cleaners, including Lysol Lavender Gel or Clorox Clinging Bleach, cling to bowls for deep cleaning. Clorox whitens and deodorizes with 3x action. Always dilute as directed and test on small areas to avoid damage. These keep your results professional without harsh fumes. Professional cleaners also need to think about safety. Cleaning chemicals and equipment can pose risks if proper precautions are not taken. Protective gloves made from nitrile or rubber help prevent skin irritation when using cleaning chemicals. Masks or respirators are often used when working with strong disinfectants or when cleaning dusty environments. Masks like the AirGear Pro G500 respirator filter gases and dust, with adjustable straps for comfort during painting or sanding. It's reusable with replaceable filters. The 3M multi-purpose respirator adds P100 protection for odors and particulates. Wet floor safety signs are extremely important in commercial spaces to prevent accidents and protect your business from liability issues. Other everyday supplies like trash bags, paper towels, and disposable wipes help maintain hygiene and efficiency during cleaning operations. Once your basics are set, consider these optional machines to expand your offerings. Carpet cleaners like the Bissell Turbo Clean Upright remove pet stains with its deep reach brush and included formulas. It's lightweight but has small tanks, so great for spot jobs. The Shark Carpet Expert adds Stain Striker for 20 times power on odors. Steam cleaners, such as the McCulloch MC1275, with 45-minute runtime and 18 accessories, sanitize without chemicals, ideal for grout or cars. The Black Plus Decker 2-in-1 is compact for handheld use. A floor buffer like the Prolux Commercial Polisher shines hard floors, though details were limited. These add premium services like deep carpet refreshes or tile polishing, boosting your rates. Adding just one or two specialized machines can significantly increase the value of your services and help you win bigger cleaning contracts. First, budget for your gear. Core machines might cost $1,000 to $3,000 total, but shop sales on Amazon or Home Depot. Analyze needs based on your target market. Homes need portable tools. Offices favor quiet ones. Get licensed if required. Insure your business. Many beginners underestimate how profitable cleaning businesses can be. Residential cleaning jobs often pay $80 to $200 per visit, depending on the size of the home. Office cleaning contracts can bring $500 to $2,000 per month from a single client. Pressure washing jobs can generate $100 to $300 per project, while carpet cleaning can add another $100 or more per room. Many small cleaning companies start with just a few $100s in equipment and grow into businesses generating six-figure yearly revenue simply by building long-term service contracts. The fastest way to get cleaning clients today is through a combination of local marketing and online visibility. Listing your services on Google Business Profile allows nearby customers to find you when they search for cleaning services in their area. Posting before and after cleaning photos on social media platforms can attract attention quickly. Local networking also works extremely well. Visiting offices, restaurants, gyms, and apartment buildings and offering trial cleaning services can lead to long-term contracts. Many successful cleaning companies also partner with property managers and real estate agents who constantly need cleaning services between tenants or property sales. The cleaning industry proves that you do not always need a complicated idea to build a successful business. With a few reliable machines, basic tools, and strong work ethic, anyone can start a cleaning service and grow it step by step. Many entrepreneurs begin alone and eventually build teams that manage dozens of clients every week. When a dirty space becomes spotless in front of a client's eyes, that experience builds trust and repeat business. And that is exactly how small cleaning startups slowly grow into stable, profitable companies.